Two video on how you go take use this Go login. Use take like if you want use them like for Facebook, say okay, you want make your Facebook the okay like make them no like me no go create or login Facebook, me no go ban and all this kind of stuff. You dey get so you go the Play Store, like I said, if you watch my other video there, you go the Play Store, search for this up Play Store App Store, search. But this thing they good for 100. Man, no lie, no. This they good for 100. They get so search for this. And now this app now, this I even use like I'm saying, if you even the like, if you even the use and like you could no need to even the on VPN for your phone or proceed. You get if you just like put the IP like proceed credential, configure proceed for inside the app. The user, you get so all those kind of things and like go even the good for yourselves lah. You see, okay, you want use your Facebook the also you get so no you sign up sure. So you go with small make it load. So now you go see something like this. Have you ever used anti-dictate browser before? She dey see like you see the feature where the browser gets this time this app gets they get. So now as a new user, you click on I've never used any. Choose the country you're browsing in for your browsing location. So now let's say if you dey like package in US now, choose USA. Search for USA. Or you package Canada, search for any country you dey get to make you no go like put another country or no go rush filling the details. You get let's put Canada first. Then allow everything. So now this app wey dey take say make you install now and this app now na the app go we say they go use configure the browser profiles wey you need. You dey get you fit get like 10 Chrome for your account for your phone. Click on install, carry go. You carry go Google Play Store and install this app there. So now you go see this thing go load this app. The app size not too big, and that's 74 MB. Then you go load this app, you go download. So once you don't download now, look at what you go do. Like see what you go look like. You see but remain invisible. Like if you enter any website, avoid bans, all those kind of thing. Maybe I say I'm not sure on better this thing, better tutorial. They gave me so it's even like right about this app. Orbita protects your anonymity and allows you to surf the web anonymously. Like for those of now people who don't understand English very well, like telling you that okay, this app this app can like help you like enter any site or create any site you like that you want to create and work on any platform you want to work on again. So like let's see Instagram now. You want to create Instagram or you want to like log in Instagram account. That mainly they only ban Instagram for your this thing normal phone login. Then you use this app. So now this one now I go like make you enter Instagram. You see they no go even know see now use it. You go enter Instagram, they go just do as in a normal the same usage. So now you see something like this. So now let's go back to go login. So this particular place now, na be the cocoa, na be the main thing we've seen on the supposed to miss. We wanna supposed to know. They get so now. First, you need socks 5 proceed or any proceed. But go put any other proceed for this app unless your work will is slow. They get me back. See now they really tell you say okay. Now why they tell us see good things don't come easily. This thing now they're telling that okay buy proceed. They know why they say you should buy proceed. If you go put free ones now, your work will be slow and they go easily dictate. Now make I show now the difference between buying a proceed and free one. Now I go use be like free like that too, but I go use one kind of proceed for and I'm not gonna see. But normally this app now will provide you pussy already. She see, don't really she show us okay. Kind of this thing if he enter. So now it's usually the right it tells you telling you seven your trial remain 7 days, stuff like that. No for just use your this thing, do what you want to do for this app before you know like when they give it to the talk. So now let's run FB first. Now the CC they show you Canada this thing flag. You can see that even now the location the Canada. So if you even change them, normal. But I'll go show another one later. So you carry something like you go carry go something like this. The this thing, the backup app now, Orbita, we take Orbita or stuff like that. I don't even know how to pronounce it, whatever. But now the backup app is this. If you like make you okay, do your workings like normal browsing stuff. You get back. So um if you sign up, if you sign in, if you use without an account, like now you know what you want to do. We go like if you know see you want keep waiting you do or this thing your this thing history your stuff whatever you go use add account. But let's start with use without an account first. Again, so allow notification, everything allow. So if you know let's go. Now first verify if your IP don't really like change for this stuff. So now if you just check FAKUE, this particular website now for mostly developer going sorry they do they using this website I do this website for you get and you now as a working boy now you know what I do this website for later. Because many people now if you never know the usefulness of this website now. You say I even keep them for free without ads. You get and if I the dot app here. So now this particular website where I run here it is like it is very very useful for now. Now we need them now we know the like the main purpose you get. If you read this website very well, you can understand them. But so click one. We will go the IP checker. So my normally my IP address is issue Nigeria. You dey get me back. It's issue Nigeria. But we'll go like configure and proceed for the stuff. So I'm gonna pause this video safe. So basically I don't show now. I don't show now like the way this thing Orbit they work. So now second thing you go need to do now, you go need like come this particular app and place now. Or make I just show now as it could be now first. So now if you save this thing now, provide it with my working okay, let's see my celeb only operating system. If you change them to any like system video put on. So if you enter Facebook or IG now, they go to see your listeners. Let's use them like Windows 11. So now proceed now. You enter proceed. Use your proceed. Click on use your proceed. Then I'll you go like configure proceed and everything there. The same password and everything. So before you go click create profile, check proceed first. We'll show you another one later. So once you don't set all this up, set them up very well. Do this thing normal the default is in the okay sure. So once you don't set everything up now, you go do like you be different in person on there. This thing they don't even know like they don't know say now you do this in another person. They gave me back. So if you even set up this thing too, so I will show you now this one later. I will show you now this one later. How to like take and package this one. You see this one too. Now some kind maybe like depend the kind of work you want to do. So we'll move for here. We'll leave them as default like that. So we'll just I'll use okay, I'm gonna use yours. Create profile. successfully. We don't create profile now. See something like this now. I select only, then click on run. You carry go new browser stuff like that. I open at the game, Isha. If I no get, you reverse, go back, you watch the video again. Because this particular video where they mix it, but normally I'm not supposed to make up. But based on say, okay, take some kind of my time, then do it for you guys. One thing you say, I don't know, you see, it will not know personal. So now you don't start now. You see this kind of shit. This is now what they tell you now. The red sharp, still no info. You dey get me? So if you enter FB now, and like this, FB go see your IP, US, location, Georgia, organization, everything, and like this. See platform, Windows. Instead of me they show Android, but they show Windows. Say you did PC. You get me back. So see, they even they show development everything, bro. I need to show you guys all this thing. Though I not change my time, but see they bring it. They get me back. So we'll move you come up for that one. And let's go to fake FAK ED sorry. Sorry, we'll go back again. There's a mistake there. Okay, let's now correct info be this. So now this is my website now go show you your IP details to correct clean connection sharp. See here, this browser, this is where they show now. I'm not supposed to show now normally, but just because of okay, make you don't be say person know something. I mean, man, don't talk too much on that one. We'll move on. So as far as say they show this clean connection, don't worry, got you covered, bro. So now if you enter fb.com, sometimes Google if it takes you far, yeah, verify you're a human. This kind of thing. So see now, this thing now they show you say it did desktop. As you enter Chrome, they get like if you use a PC now so Google would do for PC like this. They get me. So scrolling up, if you just open in a new tab, stuff like that, you can enter FB. Sometimes it goes slow based on saying a proceed they use. Suppose you know they do like every time active like that, but now doesn't work. You get me? Creating new accounts. Creating a new account now, you see something like normal stuff like that. You get me? Normal, no be network or sometimes make you no be like saying network they hold you for your phone. And I pray make you no go use a lower Android device or lower iOS device to this thing. Your phone will just a hairfire they go guy. So just follow the steps where they like show now. Though I post the video, but see how sitting this very slow. Now why guys buy proceed do this stuff. Chasing about this now. Bro. Well, I go even split this video safe normal. So this is